Hello all. In this video we are going to see how to record the screen without any external software. In PPT there will be option for insert screen recording. If you click that, automatically it will open the menus for screen recording. Now what I am planning to do is I am planning to record the screen. Okay, so I have select the notepad. In this notepad I am going to select the area. I have selected. Now I am started typing something. Okay, so before that I have to click the record button. I have clicked the record button. Now what you need to do is you can start typing. Now once you type, what you need to do is just press Windows Shift Q. The recording will get placed over in the PowerPoint slide. Now you can press the play button for the recordings. Now there will be a question, how to save this video file. Just right click, save media as, and then save the file name. It will be saved. If you go to that folder, the recordings will be there. This is how you can record the screen without any software. Thank you.